Hey, Ma!
I've already cut the edges of a garbage bag, just the lengthways on both sides. These are strips that I've cut. They're 9 inches piece. You're going to cut the strip along here as well. So basically your strips are going to be this wide. This is a heart frame that we're going to be using. And on this frame, strips that I've cut, we'll tie them. I chose to use the inner portion with the idea that if I had to fill in, I would also use the outer frame. Basically, just going to tie for 2 knots. Tie it as tight as you can. Because after you've put all these strips in place, you will then trim it and fluff it out. I'm going to do this all the way around, pushing it up for tightness. It's easy to fluff out. It's fluffing out as I tie. When it's all filled in, you just do that, it fluffs up. 2 knots, because you don't want to, it's going to give a certain amount, but that's to be expected. But as you fill in, it'll tighten up, and the product will look that much better. This is the finished product. I've tightened them all up, fluffed it out, trimmed it. That's what your heart's going to look like. I have these 2 ribbons. I was thinking a bow at the bottom of it. They're going to measure just 23 inches. This will be for the streamers of bow. Well, I chose a bigger ribbon, a wider ribbon, in the same color, burgundy. And this measurement is 13 inches. And I've doubled it, tripled it in fact, as you'll see. To make my bow, fold it in half, like that, and you're just going to put a V so that you can do your twist tie. Now, I believe in recycling some things, and I just got some twist ties from your regular bread, which you usually take and throw these away, but I save them because they come in all different colors. And the ones that you get from, say, a bag or that has twist ties, or even garbage bags, are usually white. So many projects that I'm doing need a twist tie that's not the regular color, which is white. It's going to show up on everything. Now this portion is going to be the pieces that hang down from your regular bow, and you twist them in that manner, and then I'm going to just cut to make it look better. I'm going to cut them on an angle like that, and then this one will be on an angle away from it, and then I'm going to open the bow. Twist that this way, open this side, and I'm going to take this for your streamers. I'm just going to cut one side, and once again use my little twist tie for attachment. Twist it once, because this is going to be tied to your bow, and then this streamer is going to be cut right down the middle. I put them together and we're cutting them, and you're going to attach it. I've cut another piece of the smaller ribbon. It's about 6 inches. We don't want the twist tie to show, so we're going to just put a little piece down the middle like that. I'm going to use the glue gun to do so. Before I do that, I want to make sure I stick another twist tie so that we'll have something to attach it to the frame with. That makes sense. Just cross here Just be careful, of course. How about you? Always manage to burn myself. And then we're gonna bring the bottom up. Cut it on an angle so that I could just do this little corner and have some leeway for the twist tie. This is the back end of it, and we're tying it to the middle portion. I decided I wanted to do flowers. I thought that would be a nice contrast. So I bought this at Dollar Tree. We're just going to cut these, push up the leaves, because I'd like to get some of that with the roses. Cut about 4 inches down on the stems. So I want to position them to see what looks best. I'm thinking I want them in the middle. Sometimes less is best. Then we're going to glue these on. We're going to glue these leaves. Going to stick it through. This, once again, was bought at Dollar Tree. What we're going to do with this is put them on the wreath, random spots. One here, a larger one over here, another one towards the bottom. Well, I got my first burn. I just got burnt. Told you I needed my badge of honor. So it's my badge of honor for today. And my last one. And that's your finished product.